CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.9 Explain the basic capabilities of a small wireless network. Wireless speed limitations. Now that you've seen how the 802.11n, 802.11ac, and 802.11ax standards have evolved over time, let's take a closer look at one of the most important differences between them. And that difference is speed. When we talk about Wi-Fi speed, we're usually referring to something called maximum theoretical speed. This is the highest speed a wireless standard can reach under ideal conditions. That means no interference, full signal strength, and the best possible hardware on both ends. In the real world, we almost never hit those maximum numbers, but they give us a useful way to compare how fast each standard is. Let's start with 802.11n. When it was introduced back in 2009, it was a major leap forward. It introduced new technology that allowed multiple antennas to work together, and as a result, its maximum speed reached up to 600 megabits per second. That may not seem like much today, but at the time, it was a huge improvement over earlier Wi-Fi versions. Next, we have 802.11ac, also called Wi-Fi 5. This version pushed performance even further. On paper, Wi-Fi 5 can support over 1 gigabit per second, with maximum theoretical speeds reaching up to 6.9 gigabits per second on the highest-end devices. In real-world settings, it's much faster than 802.11n, especially when streaming high-definition video or handling multiple users at once. And finally, we have 802.11ax, also known as Wi-Fi 6. This is the most advanced and most efficient version of Wi-Fi currently in use. Its theoretical maximum speed goes beyond 9.6 gigabits per second. But Wi-Fi 6 isn't just about raw speed, it's also designed to handle more devices more efficiently, which makes a big difference in busy homes, offices, or classrooms. So here's the big idea. Each new version of Wi-Fi brings faster speeds, smarter technology, and a better experience for users. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or just browsing the internet, faster and more efficient Wi-Fi means fewer delays, smoother performance, and a more reliable connection. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.